Hi trader, in this video I'll show you my full statistics, how I opened the deals, what currency pairs, and some little bonus, how many traders deceiving you. So we start. We are on the pocket option and we immediately go to the statistics. We have $3,000 on my balance. This is my profile, this is my history of the deals, and yeah, recent days I'll give you all the statistics. 10 deals, 90% of them is in the plus. So we see minimum 12, and this statistics for a given period without problems. Let's choose another period. This date, last 30 days, for example. Let's choose it. Click on this. Yeah, last days we see some zero deals. Yeah, minus deals also is here. We see that statistics are open. Not all of the deals are in the plus. Yeah, several plus, one minus, several plus, one minus, so on. If someone remember this video, we tested artificial intelligence, so we go into minus. But more of them is in the plus. We see these statistics. Yeah, 1,000 is the maximum, and our profit was 8 and 12, so it's pretty good, I suppose. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. My history, and from this history we see I also made some conclusions in cryptocurrency, $700. Yeah, I canceled the withdrawals, but mostly I withdraw with small amounts because it's my main account, not my main account. And yeah, so we have to make a deposit, and you can add it. You can simply withdraw. How it's very convenient to do this. How as you wish, I would say. If you need withdraw money, and well, we see that some traders can deceive you, so be careful watching these videos. If you have some questions, you can always write me in the comments and I'll be glad to answer them. And be careful, I say it again, because many traders can deceive you. You also can go to my Telegram channel and I'll show you more useful information about trading. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.